it's a movie. Red carpet, the lights going through me. Anytime I arrive, it's the new me. Real diamonds on my neck, that's groovy. Flashing lights, all these things come to me. Dressed in price, all my rings got weight to it. You feel that? You feel that?
With the future suddenly draws a line in the sand to protect its past. The UAE is world famous for building the next big thing. But the Federal National Council just passed a landmark law proving they are just as aggressive about protecting where they came from. We're talking up to 10 years in prison and a 10 million dirham fine for targeting history. This isn't just a legal update. It's a massive fortress built around the nation's soul. So, what's actually inside this bill? First, the law completely modernizes how we define history. For the first time, it introduces critical new legal definitions like digital heritage and archaeological survey. It acknowledges that preserving culture isn't just about protecting physical pottery shards or fortresses, it's about archiving the digital footprint of a nation's story. Under this framework, the Ministry of Culture takes center stage. They aren't just acting as curators anymore. They are now the official architects of policy, research, education, and public awareness. Furthermore, this law creates a streamlined, legal highway to nominate UAE heritage elements to international lists, like UNESCO. It's about putting Emirati identity permanently on the global map. But a law is only as good as its teeth, and this law has serious teeth. To protect these irreplaceable treasures, the UAE is enforcing some of the strictest penalties in the region for heritage-related offenses. We are talking about prison terms of up to 10 years, and staggering fines reaching up to 10 million dirhams. Whether it's illegal excavation, smuggling, or the vandalism of a registered historic site, the message from the leadership is crystal clear. The UAE's history is non-negotiable. It is an invaluable resource, and messing with it carries severe consequences. By passing this law, the Federal National Council hasn't just protected artifacts, they've secured the soul of the nation. It proves that the UAE's ambition isn't just to build the tallest or the newest, but to protect the deepest roots of who they are. Because tomorrow belongs to those who remember yesterday.